Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation or being together. As long as the relationship lives in the heart, true friends are never apart. It hurts to breathe because every breath I take proves I can't live without you. Self-love is the greatest medicine. What I need to live has been given to me by the earth. Why I need to live has been given to me by you. Set a goal that makes you want to jump out of bed in the morning. You don't marry someone you can live with. You marry the person you can't live without. If you can love the wrong person that much, imagine how much you can love the right one. Don't cry over the past, it's gone. Don't stress about the future, it has not arrived. Live in the present and make it beautiful. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. It's not that I can live without you, it's just that I don't even want to try. Love is not about how many days, weeks or months you have been together. It's all about how much you love each other every day. Start each day with a grateful heart. Don't stay long with those who are not living in the heart. Love is like water, we can't fall in it, we can drown in it, and we can't live without it. Life is the sum of all your choices. Life is a succession of moments. To live each one is to succeed. Anyone can love a rose, but it takes a lot to love a leaf. It's ordinary to love the beautiful, but it's beautiful to love the ordinary. Life is a great big canvas and you should throw all the paint on it you can. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watch my video.